Do you want to turn your Onlyfans into dark mode? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech Helpline. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can turn your Onlyfans in dark mode. So go to onlyfans.com and click More, which is beneath my profile. Now click Dark Mode and your Onlyfans will be turned into dark. So it's quite simple. You should go to onlyfans.com and then go to More beneath my profile and then click the light mode and it will be turned into light mode again. So quite simple process. Go to More and click on dark mode. This way your Onlyfans will be turned into dark mode. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.